Good morning traders, and welcome to another live Forex video training update. In this morning's video we're going to be looking at the British pound, Japanese yen, and looking at the weekly time frame. And before we get into the trading idea itself, just take a look at the last 2 weeks momentum to the upside compared with normal weekly type of momentum, and you'll see that we're currently absolutely on fire. British pound is on fire. I do think this is more about yen weakness rather than pound strength, but let's just get into the trading idea. So what I'd like to do is to take the long at the market price. I'll be looking for a market price around about 160.93, and because of the momentum I want to make sure we have our stop quite closely underneath recent market lows, which on this occasion actually just coincide with the last week's trading activity. So down here around about 157 even, and the target we will be having up at the highs here around about 168.03. Now if we go to the monthly time frame, we can see we got some area of resistance coming up here, which takes us the whole way back to 2013. So you can see we've broken out of a period of sideways consolidation which has been running since 2017 effectively. Now broken out. We've had an attempt to break out several times. We're now definitely broken out on that one. Just take a look at the monthly candle, and the first port of call then for us will be up here at 168.03. So that is the trading idea for today. A British pound, Japanese yen weekly time frame, going in at the market around about 160.93, targeting 168 with the stop underneath 157. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for listening, and look forward to speaking to you on the next live Forex video training update.